I'm currently in Bolga in the Upper East region. I just traveled from Tamale to Bolga today, and I installed this recirculating aquaculture system in this concrete pond. The pond is still under curing, so we are going to start the fish. And first of all, we have installed the recirculating aquaculture system. So what you are seeing here is the flotation system. The aeration system is also here, which is also adding oxygen. So these two systems working together, as the flotation is taking out the waste, like the insoluble particles such as the feces and the leftover feed. The aeration system adds oxygen, and with this working together, the water can be lasted for a very long time. I'm always careful here. I don't say no water change, but the issue is that if it is working, you don't change the water regularly, like the traditional way where you don't have this. Sometimes you never change the water for months. But I always tell you, despite this system working, and you're supposed not to be changing the water, but when you see symptoms of the fish that indicates that the water needs to be changed, please don't say because I have RAS and don't change it. Despite that, change the water. For instance, when you find the fish suffocating, meaning putting their nose out looking for oxygen, this whether you have RAS or not, when you see your fish doing that, please, it means that either there's infection or oxygen is not enough in the pond. And if you have aeration system to increase how it works or give aeration, that's fine. But if you don't, please change the water. So, but if this is here, it can take you months and you not change the water. Yes. But if you say no water change, someone will install it and expect that he or she will not change the water from stocking to harvest. Though that is possible, but don't rely so much on that. But despite even if you will change, it's still a better system that helps take care of the fresh water. And with this, you can even stock more fish as you can, or you are supposed to stock with the traditional method. So this is very affordable, and we can reach you wherever you are in Ghana, and we install it for you. We have been to several regions across the nation. So just contact us. You can come and install this if you have a farm already. And if you want a complete farm setup, we will give you the pond, the fingerlings or the juveniles, the RAS system, scooping net, feed, training, and all this. We have a complete package. Where if you contact us, we help you. We have 1,000 capacity, we have 500 capacity, and aside that, we can customize it to suit your preference. Just contact us, they will come and help you do it. Our contact details on the screen. Just check, contact us, and we'll help you solve your fish farming issues. Contact us, any consultancy, we can help you. My name again is Abdulaziz Isa. If you're for capital, please do so. Comment, let me know your thoughts on this fish farming journey. And then please share and let reach other fish farmers to benefit. Thank you so much.